Hello viewers, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you all? I hope all will be well. May Allah Almighty keep you Allah happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. Ameen. So friends, today we'll share with you the very beautiful crochet designs. Before starting the video, I request of all my subscribed channel Crochet Lovers, and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs show to your people in the. If you like today videos and share it with to you friends and family members, you can't many videos from my videos very helpful and useful for very guys. So I keep with sharing similar designs, crochet dresses, short designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Before to let in the comment box, well, like and subscribe you want to videos related to channel Crochet Lovers, and visit my channel again Crochet Lovers, the work yourself. And if you guys too, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make similar designs. For this type of designs is very popular in the country, and girls love such videos. Amazing, every videos has a lovely designs for you. Don't miss my every videos on my channel. So friends, today in this video my channel, I am very hope that you like my videos, and good comment please let me in. So no comment if you guys are interested in my videos. I am very grateful to take people who are subscribed to my channel all the designs. Thanks my dear, God bless you, take care, bye.